him. But I am Zoe Mad Scientist. Hi, my name is Zoe Ziegler. I'm 11 years old. This is my 5th presentation in my 5th year in 4-H. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some cool science experiments. Like slime, foam, which is also called elephant's toothpaste, and a bouncing egg. A polymer is a non-Newtonian fluid, is neither a liquid or a solid. It can take shape of its container, and you can pick it up like a solid, but it flows like a liquid. Activator is all in the boron family, like borax, saline solution, and liquid starch. A polymer is very large chains of molecules. When you mix activator and the polymers, it forms slime. When this happens, it's cross-linking. Here's an example of just polymers, and then after you add the activator, it becomes like this for slime. Let's talk about viscosity. Viscosity is how easily your polymers, which are also called chemical bonds, slide past one another. Sometimes people who have slimes give me their slimes and tell me to make them better. And they're so surprised by when I give it back to them how better their slime is and how more viscous it is. A lot of people say that you should just put slime in warm water. But if after you take a shower, what happens to the water? It dries up and your skin becomes dry. But then you add lotion and it moisturizes your skin. The same thing happens with slime. So this slime is stretchy, but it still breaks apart easy. So I will show you how to make this slime more viscous. All you have to do is add a little bit of lotion into it. And also the lotion makes it smell good depending on what kind of lotion you use. After you mix in the lotion, the slime will become a lot more viscous and very smelly. And this also moisturizes your skin too because you're mixing up the slime with the lotion and the lotion gets on your hands. So now it is a lot more stretchy and it flows more freely now that I have added the lotion to it. Next, I will be showing you how to make elephant's toothpaste. Have you been to a zoo lately? Seen the elephants? I bet their breath really stunk. Unfortunately, this experiment won't help our elephant friends' breath become not smelly, but it is a very fun experiment. So, to start out this experiment, we have hydrogen peroxide. Wait, we didn't bring hydrogen peroxide, did we?
I thought she said Elvis toothpaste.
Elephants.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's funny.
So first you're going to need some hydrogen peroxide. After that, you add Dawn dish soap into it. You'll see why we need Dawn dish soap later. Then you add yeast, which is a catalyst. It acts like scissors towards the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is also called 2H2O2. So there's two H2Os, and that's how it's called. So the scissors act in cutting that, and it leaves H2O, which is water, and O2, which is oxygen. Oxygen is a gas, and gases rise up. So the gases rise up and catch the bubbles, and then become foam. I will now demonstrate this if you direct your attention over here. How much do I put in?
Move the whole